UK pharmaceutical imports. Clear FR8 provides customs clearance of pharmaceutical imports into the UK referred to the products, ingredients, and raw materials that are imported into the country for use in the pharmaceutical industry. The pharmaceutical import industry is highly regulated, and the importation of pharmaceuticals is subject to strict regulations and quality control measures. The UK pharmaceutical industry is heavily reliant on imports, with over 80% of pharmaceuticals consumed in the UK being imported. The majority of these imports come from countries such as Germany, Switzerland, and the US. The importation of pharmaceuticals is subject to a range of regulations, including the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency (MHRA) regulations, which require all imported pharmaceuticals to meet UK standards for safety, quality, and efficacy. The MHRA also requires all imported pharmaceuticals to be approved by the European Medicines Agency (EMA) before they can be sold in the UK. In addition to the regulatory requirements, pharmaceutical importers must also ensure that their products are transported and stored in the correct conditions. Many pharmaceuticals require specific temperature and humidity controls during transportation and storage to ensure their efficacy and safety. The importation of pharmaceuticals can be subject to delays and additional costs due to regulatory and quality control requirements. The UK's exit from the European Union has also introduced additional requirements, such as customs declarations and border checks. Despite the challenges, the UK pharmaceutical industry remains highly dependent on imports, with many life-saving drugs and treatments being sourced from abroad. The industry is actively working to mitigate the risks associated with imports, such as by diversifying their supply chains and investing in research and development to find new treatments and cures. In conclusion, pharmaceutical imports into the UK play a critical role in the country's healthcare system. The importation of pharmaceuticals is subject to strict regulations and quality control measures to ensure safety and efficacy. While the UK pharmaceutical industry is heavily reliant on imports, efforts are being made to mitigate the risks associated with imports, such as diversifying supply chains and investing in research and development.